and the South Pole are the two extreme points on Earth's axis, marking the northernmost and southernmost regions of the planet. While both poles are characterized by cold, icy conditions and extended periods of darkness and light, they have distinct geographic, climatic, and ecological differences. North Pole, Arctic. Location situated in the Arctic Ocean, the North Pole is located at 90 degrees north latitude. Unlike the South Pole, it is not on a landmass, but on shifting sea ice. Climate. The North Pole experiences extreme cold temperatures, especially in winter, when it can drop below minus 40 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Summers are slightly warmer, with temperatures just above freezing. The region has polar nights, 24-hour darkness in winter, and polar days, 24-hour daylight in summer. Flora and fauna. The Arctic region surrounding the North Pole is home to a variety of wildlife, including polar bears, Arctic foxes, walruses, seals, and migratory birds. The ocean supports marine life, such as whales and fish. However, no animals live directly at the North Pole due to the inhospitable ice-covered environment. Human activity. Indigenous communities like the Inuit have historically lived in the Arctic region, though not at the North Pole itself. Scientific expeditions and adventurers occasionally visit the North Pole, but it is otherwise uninhabited. South Pole, Antarctica. Location. The South Pole is located at 90 degrees south latitude in the heart of the Antarctic continent. Unlike the North Pole, the South Pole is situated on a solid landmass covered by a thick ice sheet. Climate. The South Pole is much colder than the North Pole. Winter temperatures can drop below minus 60 degrees Celsius, minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit, while summer temperatures remain well below freezing. Like the Arctic, it experiences continuous daylight during the Antarctic summer and continuous darkness during the winter. Flora and fauna. Antarctica is far less biologically diverse than the Arctic. There are no land mammals. However, the surrounding oceans are home to penguins, seals, and various bird species, including the emperor penguin. The continent itself supports only a few species of moss, lichen, and microorganisms. Human activity. There are no permanent human inhabitants in Antarctica. However, several international scientific research stations operate on the continent year-round. The harsh climate and isolation make it difficult for sustained human habitation outside these stations.